Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete saved post on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now from the bottom navigation bar, click on the profile picture. Tap on three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. From the pop-up menu, click on the saved. Tap on all posts. You will see the post that you have saved. Tap on three dots from the top right of your screen. Click on select. Select the post you want to delete. Tap on unsave. Again, tap on unsave. And you will delete the saved post on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to delete the saved posts on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.